welcome to my channel. We are going to Kolar Empire today. From Bangalore it is 70 kilometers. Right now we are going over there. We took a U-turn because we were far. So we are going to go over there and show you guys. Guys, we have come to Empire Hotel. They even have playgrounds. So let's go to the playground. They have so many children right there. We even have barns. I will show you. This is chocolate barn, vanilla, mango, pistachio, strawberry. And let's go to the playground. Guys, I'm gonna show you the playgrounds. They have 2 slides, 2 swings. So guys, 2 slides, the green and yellow, and these are the swings, and we even have this. So let's go in the yellow slide. They get up from the swing. I'm going to go there. Oh, so good. Let's sit in this. This is the horse. Now let's go sit in the This is pretty not good. Let's go and see it. Guys, make sure you visit over here to Kolar Empire. Mountains. So guys, these are the mountains. So guys, we ordered crispy chicken. Guys, we got biryani and gravy. Guys, we came to gift shop. We got some kitchen with this kitchen. Cars. Animals. We have more animals. Headphones. Toy headphone. Specs. Earrings, bracelets, some toys, keychains, toys, sweet toys with this. We have cars. We got hats, watches, Guys, we have showpiece. Guys, we have come to falls. It is very... So guys, this is the view. It's so good. Guys, these are the mountains. So guys, this is the sunset and mountains.